Hello, it's your girl Jay, and I'm back once again with another video. Before I get into today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your post notifications on so every time we drop a new video, y'all get notified. But on that note, let's get into the video. So, I'm here to talk about anxiety. So, I'm not here about it. I'm here to talk about anxiety. That my man seen me like a couple days ago, but I never like spoke of it. So I'm about to speak right now. But I did read it, so it's still in my head. But this is because I can't scroll up the top to get to it. So I'm gonna just have to get to say stuff. But here's the diary. Dear diary, I never thought I'd be in love this much with somebody who respects me, treats me real kind and lovable. I love you truly deep down, from deep down in my heart. Um, I can never see myself leaving you, breaking up with you. Never see myself being this far too far. Dear diary, I never thought being in a relationship with somebody this much can make me feel this way, or in a relationship, this type of relationship, never been in this type of relationship before. Dear diary, I love hard and I love hard. That means I'm with my feelings, but at the same time, I know you can have. You love hard too. We both the same way. Dear diary, I never thought being with somebody that can always show me how much they mean to me and how much they love me. Dear diary, you my everything, my forever, my hubby, my sweetheart, my charming, my honey, my this is my everything. Dear diary, you are my true lover. I can't see myself being without you forever, forever